Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Chord Guitar. We have Jeremy Zucker here with BENEE, and this song is called I'm So Happy. So it's great song here, a happy song, like it's called, and yeah, we'll go through different chords and look at some just short transition notes there that gives a lot to this song here, so worth learning. So let's start with this one, capo on fifths. And we'll go over the chords. First one will be the C major 7. So a lot of sevens here in the song. So the C major 7 is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be F major 7. So that is third on D, second on G, first on B, and open E. Then A minor 7, so that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then A7, open A, second D, open G, second B, and open E. So that's the only difference between A minor 7 on first B and A7 on second B, sorry. And the final chord will be G6. So we're breaking the 7th trend here, going over the 6th here, and that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. And there we have the chord, guys: C major, F major, A minor 7, A7, and G6. So 5 chords. All right, before we start with the chord progression, we will look at the strumming pattern. And F major will be the first chord. So we'll illustrate the strumming with this. So it will be down, clap, clap. That is one round. So down, clap, clap. So you go fast with down, clap, down, and then you have a short break, and then comes up clap, and that will be one round. So again. Yeah, pretty easy. Let's start with the song here. So it starts in the verse with F major 2 rounds. And then you're gonna go to the C major for 2 rounds. That little short chord progression there, F and C, will be played for 2 rounds in total. So F major 2, C2, F2, C2, like this. 2, and C, back to F, and C. On the 3rd round, you go F 2 times, then C major 1 time, and A minor 7 1 time. So, all right, that's the 3rd round, and the 4th round will be F2 and C2 again. So back to what we did in the beginning. And the final round will be F2, then A minor 7, 1, and then just 1 down on A7. So F2, A minor 1, and 1 down on A7, like this. A minor 7, and 1 down on A7. All right. In this verse here, you can add this short little transition melodies or notes. So you do that when you play the C major 7. So for instance, in the beginning of this verse, you played F major 2 and then C2. With this note, it sounds like this. Okay, so what you did there, you added there on the C major 7, the last 2nd round when you play the strumming pattern. You go on the last 2nd, you go like this, down, clap, down, and on that last down, you hit the notes So that will be open E, first E, and third E. So you don't play the last clap if you choose to play this melody. So you're gonna play on the C major here, down, clap, down, and on that last down, you have this open E as the ending note when you do the down. This one. So you basically just add the first fret E and third fret E to it, and you skip the clap. Okay, so it will be down, clap, down, and then you move on with F again. Like that. All right, so that's this little short melody. We have one ending here as well when you play the A7, the last chord here in the verse. When you play it down, so you're coming from the A minor 7 one round of strumming, and then you're gonna play the last A7 down. You have a melody there as well as a transition into the chorus that comes right after. So from the A minor 7, sounds like this, one round, and then one down on A7. And then you add these three notes, and the notes will be on the B string starting on 2nd fret, then 3rd fret B string, and then open E. Okay, so you're gonna play slowly like this, and then comes the A7. Okay, so all right, so that is the verse, and then we'll look at the chords now. The chord progression here will be F major, one round, the G, one round, the C, one round, and A minor 7, one round. You're gonna play these for 3 rounds, but the end chord here, the A minor 7, will be on round 1, will be the A minor 7. On round 2, you will play the A7. Okay, and back to round 3, you will go back to A minor 7 again. So the ending chord will be A minor 7, then A7, and then back to A minor 7 on the 3rd round. And then we're gonna play the F, one string round on the 4th round, and then G, just one down. Okay, so that will be the chord progression for the chorus. I'm gonna take you through, speak me while I'm playing. So F major 7, G, C, A minor 7, again F, G, C, and A7, F, G, C, A minor 7, then F, and one down on G6. And that's it for the chorus. You just stick with the same strumming pattern. And from now on, everything else is pretty much the same, almost. We will have the 2nd verse, okay? So it will be again F major 7, 2 rounds of strumming, and you combine that with the C major 2 rounds. And that little short chord progression will be for 3 rounds. And then after that, you will have the F major 7, 2 rounds, A minor 7 for 2 rounds, and then A7, just one down. So that's a different ending there. So 3 rounds of F2, C2, and then after that you have the F2, A minor, 7, 2, and then one down on A7. And that takes us to the 2nd chorus, played in the same way as the 1st chorus. It's just twice as long. No, it's not actually, just kidding there. It's the same. And the 3rd verse will be the same as the 2nd verse here. So 2nd and 3rd verse played in the same way with this a little bit different ending. And then we have the final chorus, the 3rd one, played again in the same way as the previous choruses. And that wraps it up for the song called I'm So Happy. So I'm happy that I could help you. If I did, please thumb up and show me some love. Until next time, guys, like always, play tuned.